pulled her phone out. She's typing on the phone. It's a wallet case. Quite an extensive amount of typing. I briefly caught a glimpse of her. Oh, she's going on the phone now. Her hand is held to her right ear. And she's begun talking with the hand gesturing. Really not acceptable, madam. She's gesturing and talking. Having trouble moving off. CN21VKH. Oi oi! Jamar! Dude! She's clearly talking. There's nobody else visible in the car. We'll leave her. Still talking. Still talking. I do really feel like I should stop her, but you know. An older IC1 female, my guess is late 60s, 70s. We're about to go now anyway, I think. What's the bet that she'll drive off really poorly? She still hasn't moved. Like, look at that. Her phone is gone now. Terrible.